In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get discounts on Tradingview so you can upgrade your plan and save money. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Tradingview and log into your account. Once you're inside, click on your profile icon in the top corner to access your account settings. From there, go into the billing section where all your subscription details and offers are located. Now, look carefully at the top area of the billing page. If a promotion is active, you'll usually see a discount banner or a special offer displayed there. These are often tied to seasonal sales like Black Friday or New Year, but sometimes Tradingview also runs surprise promotions. Click on the discount banner and you'll be taken to the pricing page showing all available plans with reduced prices. Here you can compare plans and choose the one that fits your needs while taking advantage of the discount. Make sure to check if there's a time limit because most of these deals are only available for a short period. If you see a countdown, it means the offer will expire soon, so it's best to grab it before it's gone. If there's no discount showing, keep checking regularly or stay logged in